Current heart rate 139 beats. Pero nangangalay na yung paa ko, guys. Iba pala talaga pag hindi ka consistent sa takbo, kasi after nito swimming tapos biking. So importante mag-training pa rin tayo. Let's go 10k 122. So I will beat that PR. $32 minutes to go, guys. 32 minutes to go. Medyo matagal pa yun. Pero, let's go. Let's try to reach our goal today. Good morning! Good morning, Saudi Arabia.
قشطة المراعي خلي كل يوم أحلى.
So good morning. Time check 7:35 in the morning. Running for 135 minutes. 25 minutes to go. 11.34 kilometers. Zone 2. Current heart rate 141 beats. Hu! Let's go, let's go. Kita na rin mag-push atong kaugalingon na ni guys kay atong uyab kay duty. Sunrise guys. Sunrise. So guys, 20 minutes to go. Running for 1 hour and 40 minutes. All 12k. 12k. Woo! Sarap na araw guys. Ha. Sarap na araw. Ha. Sarap na araw. Nike. Nakaka-push din pala guys. Pag syempre yung gear mo maganda. So shout out sa Nike, Oakley, Under Armour, and syempre sa aking action cam na Osmo Action 5 DJI. 20 minutes to go, 20 minutes. At syempre, shout out din sa girlfriend ko na fiancé ko na ngayon for sponsoring my new watch, which is I really love. Very accurate. So I'm running for almost 2 hours. Currently 1 hour and 47 minutes. Grabe guys. Until now, gyapon ako dili na ako kuha na akong mind na nakadagan ko almost 2 hours straight. Although napa ko sa mga 13 to 14k, but day off by day off, we will always try to improve and we will not give up para sa future, para pag na chance mapil og mga race we will attend. Pero this coming Al-Ula race di ko makadto guys due to many reasons. So since di ko makadto na, we will train, and I am planning to train for swimming to improve my freestyle. What a day. What a day, what a day guys. What a day. I really love the sun. $10 minutes to go guys. 10 minutes to go. 13k, 153 beats, 150 minutes. Time check 7:51 AM in the morning. Sa wakas guys, we hit our goal for 2 hours, 14k, current heart rate 147 minutes. So fulfilling guys. Until now, di ko ato na naka 2 hours ko. Grabe nga like akong tiil. So gikan pa kog tulo ka adlaw na duty guys, and currently now ginanamnam lang nako ang sun. So 2 hours 14 and 44k. So yan na ako kaya mag 21k guys, bahala pag na-reward. So we will train for the 21k, we will train for the 21k, and we will beat our PR guys na 2 hours and 14k. Oh Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord. So next ani guys kay biking, swimming, tapos strengthening. So one step at a time guys, kay priority gya po na to ang duty. So welcome to for spending your time with me during my day off. So until my next vlog guys. Bye.